Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I want to drink a cappuccino. I want to drink a cappuccino. I decide to go to the cafe. I decide to go to the cafe. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I step out into the street. I step out into the street. I walk for 5 minutes. I walk for 5 minutes. I arrive at the coffee shop. I arrive at the coffee shop. I enter the shop. I enter the shop. The air smells like coffee. The air smells like coffee. I stand in line. I stand in line. It is my turn now. It is my turn now. I want a medium cappuccino. I say hello to the cashier. I say hello to the cashier. I want a medium cappuccino. I want a medium cappuccino. I prefer it with extra foam. I prefer it with extra foam. I like it with oat milk. I like it with oat milk. I order a chocolate muffin, too. I order a chocolate muffin, too. The cashier tells me the price. The cashier tells me the price. I take out my wallet. I take out my wallet. I pay with my card. I pay with my card. I take my receipt. I take my receipt. I look for an empty table. I look for an empty table. I find a seat by the window. I find a seat by the window. I put my bag on the chair. I put my bag on the chair. I wait for the barista to call me. I wait for my name. I go back to my seat. I go back to my seat. They call my name. They call my name. I walk to the pickup counter. I walk to the pickup counter. I take my cappuccino and muffin. I take my cappuccino and muffin. I open my thin silver laptop. I open my thin silver laptop. I enjoy the warm atmosphere. I enjoy the warm atmosphere. I take a sip of my warm cappuccino. I take a sip of my warm cappuccino. The foam is thick and creamy. The foam is thick and creamy. I start working on my project. I start working on my project. I type slowly on the keyboard. I type slowly on the keyboard. I look at the lines of code. I look at the lines of code. It is very delicious. It is very delicious. I take a bite of the chocolate muffin. I take a bite of the chocolate muffin. I am focused on my work. I am focused on my work. A friend walks into the cafe. A friend walks into the cafe. He recognizes me from a distance. He recognizes me from a distance. My friend comes to my table. My friend comes to my table. I offer him a seat. I offer him a seat. He sits down with me. He sits down with me. I show him my laptop screen. I show him my laptop screen. We talk about our old memories. We talk about our old memories. The barista brings his drink. The barista brings his drink. We laugh together quietly. We laugh together quietly. I finish my cappuccino. I finish my cappuccino. My friend checks his phone. My friend checks his phone. It is time for him to go. It is time for him to go. I close my silver laptop. I close my silver laptop. I put it back in my bag. I put it back in my bag. I stand up from the chair. I stand up from the chair. I take my empty tray to the counter. I take my empty tray to the counter. I say goodbye to the staff. I say goodbye to the staff. I walk out of the cafe. I walk out of the cafe. The sun is setting in the sky. The sun is setting in the sky. I feel very happy and relaxed. I feel very happy and relaxed. I walk back to my home. I walk back to my home. I enter my house with a smile. I enter my house with a smile.